In a small, peaceful village surrounded by green hills, there lived a
I'll
little
plant these
girl
seeds with hope and
named
care.
Lily. Lily
They'll grow
loved
into something
flowers
beautiful.
more than anything in the world. While other children played games, Lily spent her time watching butterflies,
I won't give
smelling
up.
roses, and
I can
planting
do
tiny
this.
seeds in the soil. One bright morning, an old gardener handed her a small pouch and said, "These are special seeds. Take good care of them."
See? It's a
Lily
rainbow
planted
garden.
the seeds carefully in her
I
backyard.
planted it with
She
all the
watered
colors.
them gently
See?
and whispered,
It's a rainbow garden.
"Grow big and beautiful."
I planted it with
The
all
next
the colors.
morning, she ran outside. Nothing had grown. 2 days passed, then 3. Still nothing. Her friends laughed and said, "Maybe your magic flowers are invisible." Lily felt sad for a moment, but she remembered something her mother once told her. Good things take time. So every morning she watered the soil. Every evening she checked carefully. Days passed. Then one golden morning, tiny green sprouts appeared.
See? It's a rainbow garden.
Lily gasped with joy.
I planted it with
Day
all the
by
colors.
day, the sprouts
See?
grew
It's a
taller.
rainbow garden.
Leaves opened, buds
I planted it
formed,
with all the
and
colors.
suddenly the garden
See? It's a
burst
rainbow
into color.
garden.
Red roses,
planted it with
blue
all the colors.
lilies, golden
See? It's a rainbow
sunflowers,
garden.
purple lavender.
I planted
In the
it with
center,
all the
the
colors.
flowers formed a
See?
beautiful
It's a rainbow
rainbow.
garden.
Butterflies danced
planted
in the
it with
warm
all the
sunlight.
colors.
The
See?
whole
It's a
village
rainbow
came to
garden.
see Lily's rainbow
I
garden.
planted it with
Her
all
friends
the colors.
apologized for laughing. Lily smiled and said, "Hard work needs patience. Even when you can't see anything happening, something beautiful may be growing underneath." And from that day on, everyone remembered, hard work pays off. Never give up.